pile of hose out there. No, I mean, there's part of the plane over there.
Small fake plane.
Everybody push down the street. If you've got neighbors, get them out, get them down the street.
The house is on fire. Oh, fuck.